The moment we found this house is we knew that we had to do lots of work into it. We needed somebody professional to do it because I had my own concerns. One of them was the structure, especially to remove 2 existing walls. And Isabella was concerned about the budget and being on time. So we wanted to be efficient as possible, stay in the budget, and have the outcome that we'd love. And everything came true. And I want to again express my gratitude to Sosna team for all the work that they've done. It looks amazing. Every time we come through that door and we look to our house, it's unbelievable, beautiful. When we compare now the result with what was in the 3D renderings, it's exactly the same. We've seen the same result and it looks amazing and beautiful. The communication with Roman and Anna was very straightforward, and they guided us how to approach some of the challenges to put the fireplace, for example. We got lots of help, and that's what we were looking for when we were first looking to get a contractor to do this major renovation into our house. The renovation process was, again, straightforward. We've seen progress every week, and during our weekly meetings, and we talked to the team, and wonderful people, wonderful team. We were really happy. Every time we came out of those meetings, we were so excited, and we wanted to see more and more. This is our house now. This is our dream house, I should say, and everything that we wanted came true into this house. Yeah, and looking forward to make more memories to this house with our family, our 2 lovely daughters, Ella and Alma, and my wife, Isabella. I think we have no other words than saying thank you to Sosna and Sosna team for making our dream come true. So thank you.